Teacher, my teacher, Stella Vista, Kukuna, Peace, no Costa, Rosta, what, Chak, Jagala, Chat. What's up, guys? I go name of Frifilwe, aka Ri, aka Ote Pandayo, aka Nix. Yes, we back, Sibuile, another episode 21. I get to my sister, as the Frostana Hore. It's our Women's Month. Haha, you my sister. Shafena, my sister.
Hi.
Alright, my sister.
I guess sharp when
mara sa tsebo bua mara batho bo le godimo voice khono go utlwa o understand ke mfuna ukuzwa man you understand batho go utlwa gore kwena mang o tlhaga kae batho lela wa viewers vele gore kwena mang o tlhaga kae who are you, where you from ba tshele ntwa.
Okay, so I'm briefly explaining about myself, right?
Okay.
Well, hi guys. Well, my name is Shandu, for college Shandu.
Shandu, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
A girl that was born in Limpopo.
Limpopo.
In a village called Wuriwuri after 12.
What? Wuriwuri.
Wuriwuri.
Wuriwuri. Yeah.
Right there by Tando. So, okay. Well, Shandu is just a simple Nyana girl who recognized that she's actually an artist and she's actually gifted and also a writer. I think it was at the age of 7.
Okay.
I grew up in Limpopo, but I relocated. I think I was around 10 years. See?
Okay.
So when I came here, I used to listen to.
You came here when?
It was 2012.
Can I hold the mic for you?
Yeah.
When was it?
2012.
2012.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So give our note go
Here.
Go Kasi.
Yes.
Johannesburg or Kagiso, ne?
I was in Kagiso.
Kagiso, okay.
Yeah, Tumiloko Lusham, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Yeah.
2012. How old are you?
2012. Nah, 2012. I don't even remember. Yeah, I don't remember.
Mario, you were young, ne?
But I was young. I was doing grade 1 by then.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I was doing grade 1 by
then.
Yeah, when I came here.
Mm.
So what people should know about me is that guys, I started listening to artists like Boma Zahara,
okay.
Abonati.
Oh, you want to inspire?
Yes,
okay.
So I used to listen to them, and sometimes Imo playing it like a guitar, imitating Uzahara. Yeah. So that's when I realized I really love music.
Okay.
So
Motuli
music. So when I was doing grade 5 in primary, I started writing. But then being a paling ngendlela yabo Zahara, I was writing ngendlela ya Sevenda, you know, uthi abantu Sevenda utsobhala kanjani. That's how.
Hayi mina ngababhala kanjani.
Like abom rap aba Sevenda. That vendor rap. Awubazi, but then vendor rap guys. I used to write like them being no imitators in the was balayo. I would write ingoma yomuntu like iphelele, yabo.
No.
And then after that, mang bale yami, I will bala mine according to his strategies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So then when I was doing grade 7, begins at Tsakani Primary School.
Yeah, go guys.
Right by Kagiso
Mall, okay,
yeah. There. So still remember I joined the choir.
Okay.
But I was not really good with choir, guys. So I decided to quit. And
okay, in choir like voice, necessarily we.
Yeah, I had to be like Linda's about to re mi fa sol la ti do.
Oh,
like I really didn't like it, honestly. The only place where I could feel okay, high ability was only at church.
Church, okay.
Yeah, I used to sing at church because obviously I can't do that.
Yeah.
So I used to visit Limpopo. So every time when I went there, because they knew I really loved to sing.
Okay.
So they would only give me a chance every Sunday when I go there, give me about 2 minutes to just go and sing. So that grew that person inside me, that Shandu, that artist, that singer. It kept on growing inside me. It's like music is my thing, as in the blood.
Okay.
So when I was doing grade 10, grade 10, it was 2022.
2022.
Yes, 2022.
Okay.
Well, my classmate told me to record because, he was like, bruh, you're a fucking good artist. I'm sorry for using that language.
Yeah.
So he played a beat in class, never like those free period. Played a beat. He was like, Faith, I know you're going to do this. Give a beats.
Yeah.
You know.
So wait, a beat in a link, hip hop or
It is an emotional hip hop.
Emotional hip hop. Okay.
Like woman, love what.
Oh
love
yeah.
So it was downloaded.
A
It was
download
downloaded beat.
Okay, yeah.
So
Koskela.
Koskela in class. Go prepared.
Yeah.
Baba give a busy studying. Tina
Lona
busy
le la-
listening to.
Unalele bravo.
Bayabon. So ngasha freestyle and it was dope. And then I
recorded
recorded the song. Yeah, I have it. I recorded the song and it was dope. It was nice. It was my first song. And then after that, they inspired me. It's cool, but say, bruh, we heard your song. It's so nice.
Yeah,
you need to push hard.
More, yeah.
And then I got inspired. That's you know what? I'm not giving up on this. I have to push it harder.
Oh, so you recorded the phone?
No, actually, we say
after doing the freestyle.
After doing the freestyle,
you recorded same moment.
No, not same moment.
Okay.
What we were doing, we were taking a video.
Oh.
While freestyling.
Okay.
And then he sent me that
video.
The beat. He didn't send the video. He sent the beat and then he was like, Dana, go at home and write what you were singing.
Yeah.
I wrote that. And then over the week we were saving imali, okay.
Yeah.
We saved until this other Saturday. Then we went for a studio session. This guy and he right? No. But it's somewhere around next to Tepiso.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's why I recorded my first song. The guy was very cheap.
When was it?
2022.
2022.
Yes.
Okay.
Like it's a great 10. I still remember it was 25 October.
Yeah. That's nice.
That was the day I recorded my first song. And so, mina kahle futhi, I'm that person who's what can I say? Who's emotionally okay, let me say I can't talk to people about problems and isn't what I do is to write. Sitting in my room crying alone, but then I'm crying, but I'm writing.
You're writing, yeah.
I won't be able to come to you and tell you, bro, this hurt me, this blah 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 blah. I will write about it, and then I will sing that song. Though I won't record it, but I will sing. And then after singing that song, eventually, heal and just be calm and just let everything be.
Okay.
And I was never that person.
Nah,
I didn't do that. I didn't love
why?
And stuff. I don't know. It was just not in me. I'm the person othanda space sakhe ngiyabathanda abantu ne. I really love being around people sometimes, but sometimes khona lesikhathi it's like I just want to be alone.
Yeah, okay.
And man, you want to tell you I'm listening to music, writing music or writing something, doing something, using a pen. So not good to being athanda abantu, but being bathanda abantu. I'm friendly. I'm just a friend with everyone. I don't have more things to know. I'm my best friend. If I say you're my friend, you're not my friend. You're just somebody I know.
Okay.
But deep down, as well to cash up, you're just part of my life and want to be my friend. But I love you. But I don't want no, I don't want that. Space
All right. So 2022. You recorded that track you were doing in high school. Yeah. So the track is still here, on alone.
Yeah, I have it.
You have it.
I have the track. Yes.
No, okay. So who was the producer? Was there?
The guy. His name is Kulani.
Kulani.
Yes. Yeah, Mokasi, but then
Komnandi. No.
Yeah. His name is Kulani. And then my friend is YBM Madida. And on that song I featured what's that girl? I even forgot their names.
Oh, little moyo.
Young boy Brian. Yeah.
Liga moyo.
Mopineng Ritu.
The vocalist.
Yes.
D2.
Already 2.
So all we three can everything producing.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
okay.
And then all the owner just gave us the studio and stuff. I left it to do your thing, but he helped with the mastering and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So since 2022, what was the name of the track?
Show me your love.
Show me your love.
Yes.
Why show me your love? No crush on somebody.
Yeah. Well, I was in a relationship at that time.
Oh, okay.
I was dating a lesbian.
A lesbian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, obviously. I was being kuluma ngabafana on that song to that lesbian.
No, lesbian. Oh, not only lesbian.
Yeah, it's
So
peer pressure.
So who yang jola lesbian?
Yo. Go sharp fela man.
It's normal, right?
It's normal. Yeah, by that time it was normal. But no, yeah, now when I think of it, I'll be like, nah, I don't want to do that again.
So now, how
No.
into
Managing is straight.
straight?
That was just peer pressure, Papa J.
Oh, papa, ne,
Yeah.
ne, salute. So that track in the cheat. So since 2022, you released only that track, or you still recording? We're busy recording, or
I'm busy recording.
yeah. Since 22,
Still, since 2022.
yeah. On the record.
It's not really record. Grade 11, I didn't record.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't record. What I did, we will just only practice and sing because I was in this, what you call, this DMEG record label. I was working with them in Creostock. Yes.
Oh, go on.
Creostock,
Okay.
DMEG.
Yeah, DMEG radio.
Yeah. So what we will do there, we will just go, I will write a song, we will just sing, but we will not record.
Why?
I don't know. When it's manje.
King la record la perform or
Yeah, we were just performing, singing, but we didn't record. Other people recorded, but I didn't record there. I don't know why, but then yeah. So when I was doing grade 12, yeah, that's when I recorded my second song.
So
With
recording.
Danger Man, yes.
Go on a recording.
Yes, I
recorded 22, 22.
And then skip out that whole period, and then
Yeah.
I recorded last year, 2024.
2024.
In grade 12.
Grade 12.
November.
Yes. Give no featuring Danger Man.
Yes.
Oh, ke uspanele Danger Man fela mo kasi.
Ke spanile le Danger Man, ke spanile le who's this guy? Oh my God, help me. Chiwa. Yeah, spanile Chiwa.
Is a vocalist or producer or?
He's a producer. He's a rapper.
Okay.
Yeah, he's also a vocalist. Yeah.
No, all right.
Us.
Okay, no spane fela batho ithu mo kasi.
Yeah.
Danger Man uli.
Danger Man and that guy.
Yastinez yene.
Yastinez. Ooh, baba ngata hle. Okay, it's just. It's Yastinez. It's Rabbit MK1.
Yeah. But we begin libon.
Yeah. It's Danger Manu.
Yeah.
And then it's Chiwa.
Yeah.
So far it's 5. It's YBM Madida. And it's Young Boy Brian.
Okay.
Yeah, Mokasi, so far those are the only people I worked with. Yeah.
So you're working on EP or singles?
Now I've been working on singles.
Singles.
Yes.
So uspanele bona batho office wa mention.
Yes.
How many singles did you make?
Whew. I think now it's about 7.
7.
Yeah.
Yeah, matlamelo tse EP mos.
Yeah, I will. It's just that now
No, there's no relax.
Ish.
There's no relax in tona. Tlamile go iwe o push span sa, push la craft. At this nyana gona le EP, but ba gona bona span sa, one ton.
Yeah.
So you need to do the EP. So re-expect the EP.
Ooh. Okay. Let me say by the end of 2025.
End of 2025.
Yes.
And which is Lily music video, they included.
Not really music videos, but an EP.
EP.
Yeah. Music videos maybe for my next year.
Next year. Yeah. I get no problem. Low budget.
Yeah, so this year you'll just get one music video.
One music video.
Yeah, from the single that I recorded in July.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
It's already there, but not released yet.
Okay. As re o tlile go open mic session. O don't performela track e feng?
Ke tlo go performela Tetanami,
Tetanami.
ex Danger Mano.
Yeah.
And I'll also perform the first song that I recorded, Show Me Your Love.
So you're gonna perform 2 tracks?
Yes.
Godile mosno. Ne re mo kae chance ba feta do shapa ka track ya gago. So eno batho ba batle ma on social media.
Ba batla Shandu the vocalist.
Shandu
The vocalist.
the vocalist.
Yes.
Go platform kaofela.
Not in all platforms, guys. You'll only find me on Instagram, Facebook,
TikTok.
and TikTok.
Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.
Yes.
So
But very soon I'll be on YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, o tla loka ta ncenga. So ba re tlo shala ka track yone ke.
Yes.
All right. Bafethu. Arefe Shandu chance bafethu. Arefe Shandu chance. Are bontshe nywenywe.
Perfect, the mood, and then the